Good morning. Okay, today we will take a new topic, that is a functional group. Okay, this is one topic related to carbons and its compound. In functional group, before going to functional group, we should look into what is heteroatom. A heteroatom indicates that in a hydrocarbons, if the hydrogen is replacing with any other atoms, then that atom is considered as an heteroatoms. Okay, and what is functional group? In any hydrocarbon can be replaced with one or two atoms or a group of the atoms. Okay, then that is considered as a functional group. Okay, any hydrocarbon you can consider. In that, if you are replacing one or more atoms, then this is considered as a functional group. So we have so many functional groups, that is alcohol, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. These four are the functional group of an carbons and its compound. Still many are there. So for your syllabus, total 4 and one more combining alcohol and carboxyl group will form some esters. That is also we have considered as one functional group. Okay. So today we will look into these four functional group. First one, that is alcohol. Alcohol functional group is OH. What do you mean by alcohol functional group? If any in an hydrocarbon chain, any hydrogen is replaced with this OH functional group, then that is considered as an alcoholic group. Okay, hydrocarbon should be replaced with OH group, that is considered as an alcoholic group. Any carbon chain. For example, you are considering N is equal to 1, that is methane. So methane is actually CH4 is there. So I will write, okay, you should replace one hydrogen, that is replacing one hydrogen indicates CH3. In this OH group, if you added means, then that will form as an alcohol. Okay, the structure will be CH3. So CH3, one more group. Okay, here I have added an OH functional group. Then this is considered as an alcoholic group. The name of this carbon compound. So what is the name of this carbon compound? How to name this carbon compound? So first it should be an prefix, then word root, prefix, a word root, then a suffix. In that, primary suffix and secondary suffix. Here the prefix will not be there. We are not substituting any carbon compound with any other elements. So primary will not be there. Word root. So all are. So total how many carbon? So the 1. So that's why it is meth plus primary suffix, that is it is nothing but an ANE, because all are single bond, and a secondary suffix is nothing but an OL. The suffix of an alcoholic group is nothing but an OL, so it should be an OL. So you should remove the E, then you should write the name as ANOL, methanol. So first compound or first carbon compound formed for an alcoholic group is a methanol. So similarly, if you substitute for N is equal to 2, then it will be what? So if you consider N is equal to 2, C2H5OH. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here OH. It may be not only here, you can keep it here also. So you will get C2H5OH. What is the name of this carbon compound? It is nothing but an ethanol. So word root is it. Okay, ANE, because all are single bonding, and OL. So it will be what? It will be what? Ethanol. ETHANOL. Okay, ethanol. Similarly, you can go it for propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol, everything. Okay, that is about your alcohol family. Okay, so next one is aldehyde. So aldehydes, in any carbon hydrocarbons, if that is replaced with this functional group, that is CHO group, we can like this also we can write, or CHO. Okay, but we will prefer this one to structure the carbon compound. We will do like this only. So this one is there now. Here I can write as R. R indicates that any alkyl group. So if you know about alkyl group are nothing but for example methane is like this. So removing of one hydrogen atom is nothing but that will form as an alkyl. So this is CH3. If C2H6 is there, so you will get C2H5. This is methyl. This is ethyl. Okay, alkyl indicates that it will be methyl, ethyl, propyl. So removing of one hydrogen. So this is methyl. So generally they will write as R. R indicates any alkyl group. So you can substitute here. It will form a carbon compound. So example I will show you. Okay, for this one, if you consider C is equal to N is equal to 2. So it will be C2H5CHO. Correct? C2H5CHO. So it will be C2H5CHO. So COH. So you should write CH3CHO. CH3CHO. Okay, for N is equal to only 1 it is there means, for N is equal to 1 only one carbon compound is there means it is CHO, only one carbon atom. If two carbon atoms are there means, okay, what is the name of the carbon compound? Okay, and its suffix is, for aldehyde, suffix is Al. So alcohol OL, aldehyde is Al is the suffix. So what is the name of this carbon compound? The name of the carbon compound is, so meth plus ANE plus Al. So E remove it. So this is methanol, NaL. Methanol, this is methanol, NaL. Methanol, this is ETHANAL. Ethanol. Okay, propanol, butanol. Okay, once again. So R is any carboxyl group. So here I have considered CH3, which is the carboxyl group name. It is a CH3. So only one carbon atom is there. This is methyl with CHO. So total 2 carbon compound. So 2 carbon compound indicates that ETH, ethanol, NaL, not NOL. NOL indicates what? It is alcohol group. It is an aldehyde group means ethanol. Next, ketones. Ketones, here R is there means to alkyl group. So alkyl group may be, okay, its a suffix will be end with ONE. Don't call it as one. It should be an un. Okay, the suffix should be end with ONE, un. So one alkyl group here, one alkyl group here. If in any hydrocarbon, if this functional group is there, CO, then it is considered as a ketones. So ONE, don't consider it as one, it is an un. So check out. So I will consider CH3, CO, CH3. So R indicates I have considered an methyl. So and one more methyl group. So total 3 carbons with the structural form I will write CH3, CO, CH3. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3. Total 3 carbons are there. So 3 carbons are there means it is prop. So this is prop plus. Okay. Then ANE plus ONE, un. So E you should remove. So propanone, 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 propanone. So you will get a butanone, pentanone, hexanone. Okay, and this carbon compound or this functional groups, the first member will start with propane only. Okay, not as ethane, not as methane, because ethane and methane 2 carbon compound will be there. But here compulsory one alkyl group here, one alkyl group here means compulsory there should be a 3 carbon compound. So first member of your ketones we can consider as propanone. ONE indicates un, not one. Okay, PROPANONE, propanone. Okay. So next comes carboxylic acid. Okay, carboxylic acid. So the name of the, so this is your functional group COOH. the any hydrocarbon is ends with COOH, then it is considered as an carboxyl. So this is one left out now. So this one I will consider as an R. R indicates any alkyl group. So for example, I will consider again alkyl group as methyl only. So CH3, okay, COOH. CH3COOH. The total how many carbons? There are 2 carbons. So check out, I will write CH3 means I will write like this, and COOH. CH3COOH. Okay. This will be there. Check out CH3COOH. If it is there means what is the name of the carbon compound? So there are 2 carbons. So it will be of eth. Okay, plus, and ANE will be there plus secondary suffix. So this will end with an suffix as oic acid. OICACID, oic acid. So oic acid you can write. So E you can remove. This is nothing but a ethanoic acid. Okay, ethanoic. Here also the carboxylic acid will starts with the first member as ethanoic only. No methanoic acid. It will start from an ethanoic acid only, because one alkyl group should be there means here one C will be there, here one C. So total 2 C indicates compulsory it will start from 2 carbon compounds. So that's why the name is ethanoic acid. Understood? So ethanoic acid or COOH. Once again I will glance the functional groups. Ethanoic acid, ethanoic, propanoic, butanoic acid, like oic acid. The last functional group ends with oic. So I will glance once again. You can check out the functional group. In any hydrocarbon, OH is there. So that is considered as an alcohol with an suffix, secondary suffix. Okay, OL. So that's why the name of the carbon compound may be methanol and ethanol. Here any hydrocarbons ends with like this CHO group, then it is considered as an aldehyde. For example, it may be ethanol, NaL. So that is CH3CHO. 2 carbon compound should be there. CH3CHO. CH3 indicates R. Okay, methyl group. And CHO should be there. CHO should be there. So this is considered ethanol. And this one. So first carbon compound only CH3, one R is there. COCH3. So there are 3 carbon compounds. Compulsory it is propanoate. Okay, O8 it should be end with. So propanoate. So last one. So here if you consider CH3 and COOH is there means. So 2 carbon compounds. So eth. Okay. Then ANE you should consider. E you shall remove. Then end with oic acid. So it should be an ethanoic acid. Ethanoic, then propanoic, butanoic, then pentanoic. Like this, it will be continued. Okay. This is about your functional group of carbon and its compound. Okay. Thank you.